Assalamu alaikum everyone and welcome here. I hope you are enjoying good health and spirit. Today I am going to share another trick with you. I have used ask rule from mail merge in my document and have a list of my bookmarks here, but I have no option to delete these bookmarks from here. I have found two methods of deleting this. The method one is press Alt F9 and you see the field codes of these bookmarks here. Select these field codes and hit delete from the keyboard and you see that you have deleted your bookmarks from that list. I press Ctrl Z and press Alt F9. The method 2 of deleting these bookmarks is from Insert tab, click on bookmark and you find your bookmarks here. Click bookmark and click on delete button, click bookmark and click on delete button and close. You have deleted your bookmarks from rule ask also. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe to channel for more videos like this.